Good morning, I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin with the pre-market analysis for today, the 12th of December 2013. Finally, we're back after 10 days in Argentina, representing Bitcoin, Latin America and Spain. This is what we have right now. This is the weekly chart. Situations that we might see during the course of this day and during the course of this week. We might see a situation where this particular pattern, in the next few weeks, we might see this situation coming. And I'm not surprised due to the fact that the currency has been going up for so long and is overextended. We need a pause, we need new higher lows, or at least we need a consolidation in the weekly chart. It is important for the currency to create sufficient memory in order to build the trust and build more credibility for the traders, or at the same time actually for the market itself. That's just basically what it is. And back into what it concerned us today, which is intraday. We see a situation right now that it might give us a 50-50 chance. And what I'm trying to say is the previous sell-off, which is this one, it basically create a potential situation where new higher lows can come on board, and it can push the price down and sellers can have full control if that happens. Right now, after a few days, we saw this powerful uptrend managed to penetrate over 50% of the previous sell-off. However, it is important to have two things into consideration. This might generate a new higher low, which is very good, very powerful. Now take us to the back on track, and we might reach again major resistance, and why not breaking up the historical highs, which are in 242. However, the other situation that we see that it can happen is this particular uptrend might not succeed, and we just see a lower high with an entrance on 1026, push the price down. And if this is a powerful lower high, we're talking about the daily chart. Daily charts are powerful movements, and as you all know, the price always reaches or tries to reach the SMA 200, and at this point that particular SMA is a little bit far from us, but the next target or the next point of reaction could be this particular formation, which is this one here. So we need to keep into consideration these two options. I see no problems whatsoever to go up again, but at the same time we have right now a 50-50 chance, and this particular situation we already set new minimums on the daily chart compared to the previous candlestick. So we need to keep an eye on it and make sure that we take advantage, or make sure we don't get trapped because we buy and we didn't see that coming, and we end up being at the same difficulties that these people in this area. A lot of people is trapped right now in that particular area. And last but not least, you see the 4-hour chart, the 240-minute chart. This particular retracement managed to deny 1 and 2 higher lows. This is a consolidation with higher lows and small time frames, but this is the main higher low, and right now the price is trying to reach the SMA 200. If that happen, we can definitely see new lower prices, and buy and sellers will have full control of the currency at that point. If not, we need to see something like the price pushes itself up and tries to reach once again this particular resistance, and we might see a new higher low in that particular area. Once again, thank you very much for watching. It's been a pleasure coming back to give you all this particular pre-market analysis for Bitcoin. I'm Lucano. You're watching Mundobitcoin. Have a great day trading. See you around. Goodbye.